Have you ever set out on a task only to screw it up, but then you save face and totally turned it around and created a teaching experience like I did today? If you have, stand by and hit that subscribe button. Aloha. Damn it. Okay, I'm going to show you the difference in recording with the same camera. This is the one I've been using. This is the same exact camera. I don't know. Let's see what I was shooting in. 1080p, 30 frames a second on Rocksteady. So now we got the backpack. Walk down to the bike. Pick up the camera. Put it away, go set for the next shot. And this is probably going to be all about 20 seconds worth of video. Get on the motorcycle. Go back out of shot, out of sight, out of sound. Right now I'm shooting 60 frames at 4K with Rocksteady Plus. The difference is this camera had the microphone turned on. Now I'm going to record without the microphone plugged into a camera so that I could show you the difference on how it works. We're going to put my backpack on. Oh, by the way, I'm still recording in my helmet, but it's saving to the actual transmitter instead of into the camera because I don't have the receiver plugged into the camera right now. So it's doing an internal storage. And that means that I will have to go back to the computer and plug it in to the USB-C port and get rid of all the audio files from the microphone, the transmitter, and throw them in my computer. We'll try this again. Rocksteady Plus, different camera. We're shooting 4K 60 frames Rocksteady Plus instead of 1080 30 frames Rocksteady. But we're not going to go flying because my goggles are starting to fog up. It gets a little foggy around here. I'm wearing my contact lenses, but well, I lied. See, the problem with these holes here is you don't know if there's a rock in the middle of it, so you can't just go flying through it. And not having very clear vision right now, looks like I'm looking through a windshield that doesn't have any windshield wipers that work while it's raining. So I don't have very good vision. So you just go nice and easy. This is a trail riding.